Okay, so we're making baked beans with ground meat in it. I have already browned my ground meat down and drained all the grease off of it. The only thing I added in there was just a little bit of beef base, just for the simple fact I like to give everything some flavor. So this is what I brown my ground meat with. So for the baked beans, I only use Bush. You could use whatever you'd like. I like the brown sugar hickory. We're going to dump those in there. I just think Bush's hands down is the best baked bean. Next, I only use the Kraft barbecue sauce. Yeah, this is what I'm putting in there. You could cut up onions. Sometimes I put bell peppers. Tonight I'm only using onion powder. Probably about a tablespoon. We're going to put about a teaspoon of chili powder. About a teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm going to mix this all up. I will turn it on low and let it simmer, just for the simple fact that sometimes the beans are hard, they're not done. At this time, if you would like, you could put them in the oven and bake them. I just keep mine in the pot and cook them on low for about 10 minutes. Then we'll taste it. If it needs anything, it'll be just a dash of salt. I use Tony's if it needs it. Sometimes it don't. So we're going to let this simmer, and we'll be back. Okay, so these beans have been simmering for about 10 minutes. I have tasted them, and they don't need anything but to be eaten. I'm going to add just a little bit of my liquid smoke. I keep this in the cabinet for when I'm barbecuing. This is just another level of added flavor. About a teaspoon of that. And we're going to cut these off, and they're ready to eat. Okay, so here's my beans. I plated them up. It has ground beef. I only use Bush's baked beans, Kraft barbecue sauce, and a few seasonings. And here's what you get. If you could taste this, you would thank me later. Try this.